guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited for today's video. It's on a new product. If you guys want to know more, let's go. Okay, so I know y'all have heard of the One Size Until Dawn mattifying setting spray, if not here on this channel, from other content creators. Patrick himself said that it is like a top 3 seller in all of Sephora, like including all of the categories: hair, fragrance, makeup. It's like a top 3 seller, and I fully believe that. That thing stays out of stock, especially after people found out that makeup artists use it on Beyonce during her concerts, and y'all know she'd be up there, you know, 8 counting away for 3 hours. So if her makeup can last, everyone was like, oh, I need to go find out for myself. That is one of my favorite setting sprays. So imagine how excited I was when I heard they are coming out with a new setting spray, and it's kind of like the opposite of Until Dawn. So I got this in the mail. This is from One Size, and this is their new Powder Melt Glass setting spray. Glass. Ooh, I can't get this out. First of all, look at okay. Melt your powder, not your makeup. Seamlessly melt powder and set your makeup for a smooth glass-like finish that lasts. A glassy film former helps extend makeup wear for up to 12 hours. The oil-free, breathable formula won't disrupt makeup and is perfect for setting full beat glam. So look inside. Here is the actual product. I'll go grab the Until Dawn because I think that's a little taller than this one. Let's see, powder. Ooh. Powder glass melt glass setting spray, melts and sets powder, skincare infused glass formula, all day makeup wear. Turn a powdery finish into glass skin with our clinically backed makeup looking mist. Retails for $34 US and 46 Canadian. Okay. It's the glass part that has me most excited because like I like when skin looks like that. It's just like gluey. Child, I meant to say dewy, but it's gloomy outside. It's raining again. I told y'all it's like for a good month in Georgia, it'd be raining every day. Y'all didn't say that before I moved down here, but that kind of like dewy glass skin, especially when I see it like skincare commercials and stuff like that. So I'm excited to see how this turns out. So if I open this up, this is what the new setting spray looks like. Let me go grab the other one. So this is Until Dawn. You get 143 milliliters with this, and I knew it looked a little bigger than this one. You get 100 with this. I can't keep the cap for anything, so let's see how long I can make this one last. But yeah, I'm gonna go take the powder off, and then we're going to try this out, and then I'm going to let this sit on my face throughout the day and see how a glass setting spray is going to work on someone who has oily skin. Okay, so let me get a little closer. This is my skin, freshly removed powder. Let's see. I might have to back up actually, because I don't want to spray the camera. How do you mist out? Okay, good mist. All right, let's see. I might have to back up, but then I'll back in. Y'all know what I mean. Does it say shake? Shake well before each use and keep eyes closed during application. Spray in circular motion over makeup, holding product 10 to 12 inches away from the face. Okay. Ooh. It is not, y'all know how Until Dawn be taking you out if you accidentally breathe it in? It's not like that with this one. I have a fan at my parents' house. I need to grab that the next time I'm over there. Wait a minute. Hold on. Do y'all see my face? It's dried. It's not like, oh, well, your face is just wet. That's why it look, no, it's dried. It's, Patrick, listen, the whole brand. Honestly, truly. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face. And like I said, we still need to see how this holds up on someone who has oily skin. Okay, y'all, so this is gonna be my face for the day. It is 12:11. I will come back later on so we can see how my face held up. But this is my face leaving for the day. And y'all know I haven't been liking my makeup lately. I like it today, okay? To be fair, I did like it before I even put on the setting spray, but especially after. Yeah, that's the Shanygne that I know. I don't know what's been going on. in the month of April. Maybe it was just the month of April, you know, April showers. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. All right, y'all, it is 3 in the afternoon. This is what my face looks like. Y'all know when your makeup settles, like it fully blends in with itself. That's where we are right now. And absolutely positively. Now, it's not the hottest today. It was, I told y'all earlier, it was raining and I actually got caught in the rain outside because I had to pick up a package, but face still on, still, yes, literally did what he had to with this. Gonna let it sit on some more because it's only been like 3 hours or something like that. But mind you, I was on the phone with my mother. She gonna say, "Oh, you look beautiful today," or is it my eyes? Excuse me? But, you know, I guess it got my mama's approval today. So, yeah. All right, y'all. I gotta pee and wrap this video up. So it is 5:14 and this is what my face is looking like. I will have everything that I have on my face in the description down below, but I am wearing the Danessa primer, the Milk Makeup primer. I am wearing the Patrick Ta foundation in combination with the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk foundation. So just throwing it out there that besides the Danessa primer, it's really the Danessa primer and the setting spray doing the work on my face right now because everything else isn't really like mattifying or anything like that. But baby, this is literally, if you want that skin-like finish in a bottle, this setting spray is it. I was talking on Instagram and I was like, very rarely do I come across, now I might come across a product that I like, right? Even one that might blow me away a little bit, but like rarely am I like, nah, you need this. You need to go ahead and get this, baby. No, but like the way, the finish of this, I almost said foundation, of this setting spray, like it literally, cause you know, your face is very powdery, very makeup-y once you finish your makeup. Once you put this setting spray on, it's literally like you go back to it being skin. Like I said earlier when I checked in, sometimes you need to wait. You can't really sometimes look at your makeup as soon as it's done because again, like it's makeup on your face. It needs to settle. It needs to like fully form into your face, all the crevices that you have on there, right? This looks like that. This looked like that as soon as the makeup, as soon as I put the setting spray on, but especially like as it has time to sit on your face. Cause like, does it look like I've had this on for almost 6 hours? Like I said, it's not the hottest today. Summer is coming, so we will definitely have the chance to try it in like warm weather. But like I said, I have oily skin and I don't really have anything besides the powder. Also, I forgot powder as well. Besides, you know, powder and the primer that I put on, and my face is still holding up even after the rain. Patrick, this message is for Patrick Star and Patrick Star only. Did your big one. Did your big one on this one. I'm absolutely positively here for this. Is it better than On Till Dawn? I think I need to see it in like hot, because I've worn On Till Dawn through the summer. It got me through the summer. So I'm gonna have to see this one when it's really hot, when that Georgia summer hits. I need to see it then. So we'll come back to that question. But finish wise, if you are looking for a setting spray, not necessarily on the wear, you know, maybe you have normal skin, so you don't have to worry about needing a like mattifying primer or something like that. But I mean, everyone sweats. Well, maybe not everyone sweats in the face. Y'all get the point. And you focus more so on how the setting spray is going to make your makeup look off looks, this glass one. But off wear, I have to come back for that question. But that is it for this video, y'all. I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any of you are thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I really gotta go pee.